The speed of verifying your credit with Younited can make a significant difference in accessing funds quickly and efficiently. Today, we focus on the most effective tip to ensure your verification process is seamless and nearly instantaneous. Verification delays often arise from incomplete or inconsistent information. Ensuring that all your personal details exactly match official documents, including full name, date of birth, and address, reduces the likelihood of manual review. Any mismatch can lead to verification taking several hours or even days. Another crucial factor is the accuracy of your banking information. Linking your bank account using the exact name and account details registered with your bank prevents failures during the verification process. Using verified online banking credentials instead of screenshots or manually entered data speeds up the system's automatic checks. Younited's system prioritizes automated confirmations, so enabling secure, direct bank integration guarantees the fastest approval. Submitting documents in the correct format also impacts verification time. PDFs and high-resolution images are preferred over compressed or unclear files. Blurry images of identity documents often trigger additional checks, slowing the process. Ensure that any required documents, such as government-issued ID or proof of income, are current, legible, and match the information on your application. Consistency across all submitted information is key. Any discrepancies between documents, your application, and linked financial accounts can trigger a manual review, which delays verification. By carefully cross-checking your application before submission and providing direct bank connections, Younited can process your verification in a matter of minutes rather than hours. This tip saves not just time but also potential frustration. For anyone using Younited, the fastest credit verification is achieved by combining precise, consistent personal information with direct, verified bank integration. Following these steps ensures you move from application to credit access without unnecessary delays.